Oh, mate.
Himself?
Yeah, good.
I have a picture here.
Where is he?
Quick look, he's gone underneath the air conditioning unit.
Air conditioner.
Hasn't
I'll have
come
a
out.
look, and that way I know what dealing with.
If you can see.
Yeah, it's a brown snake by the looks of things.
Yeah.
All right.
So yeah, I was standing here the whole time and yeah, I haven't seen him come out.
Wonder if he's gone under. Like under. If I can get a glimpse of where it is, would be lovely.
We need right inside him.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, yeah. See what he's doing. Oh, that's not going to be easy. I found a piece of it though, I think.
Yeah, I found a couple of snake skins out there.
Yeah. So, whether it's the same one or not, I think your one's a bit bigger than this one. It's by that picture.
I did find a big one the other day, about a metre long, just on the stones up here.
Oh, here. We're just
Got
going
a crowbar and shoes, need to jimmy that.
Maybe, yeah, that might be the go. It's in that little hole. Just stuck his face right out.
He's got to come back out the other way eventually.
Maybe, yeah, well, he could come out there. There he was, little sucker. Come on, mate. Do that again. There he is. Come on, mate. You know you want to come out, you have to come out, dude. Come on, matey. You want to. Come on, we won't hurt you. No one's going to hurt you, mate. He's in there. All right. That makes me wonder then, maybe, because he had to have come in from this way.
Yes.
Surely. So if we go that, sneaky little suckers, eh? Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh. You don't like that, do you, mate?
Can't you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Eventually you should build up the courage to come out, even with us here, but
Yeah.
if we're not here, then might work more in our favour. Hey? The 3 walks away. You pop it out? Alright, sweet. My phone's getting soaked and I've got someone calling. Is he coming out? Oh yeah. You just tell me when he... I thought I got eyes on him, but... Trying to stay hidden as well. Oh yeah. I can see him with the camera. Come on, snake. Come on, snake. Just come out. You know you don't like it and you want to come out. No, he'll get through that. I think he actually went down it because it's the only way in or out for him. Otherwise he'd come out a different way. I reckon he actually slipped out and went down that hole when we weren't looking. Come on, snake. Get out, because I've got 2 other people that want me to come out too. Far out. You just see me move. Come on, mate. Come out this time. Just do it. Just go for it, Snaky. Come out, buddy. You know you wanna. You know you really wanna. Come on, that's it. That's it. That's more like it. Come on, a little bit more, a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, Snaky. Yeah, get up there if you want. I don't care. Just come out of that bloody hole.
He's got his head up against the window, so he's halfway out, I reckon, almost. Yeah. He's trying to work out a way. He's come back over the hose now. He doesn't want to go right. Here he comes. He's come along the concrete. Back down the hole.
Yes. Ah, you bastard. He took ages. He took bloody ages, and I could have got a wicked shot of you sitting right there with my camera. He took that bloody long to come out, mate. Hey? Hey! Alright, but yeah, there he is. There he is in the end.
Thank you.
So we'll get him in the bag. He's not very happy that he lost the battle. You won a few battles, but you lost the war, didn't you, mate? Hey? Gave us a run for the money. He's quite chunky for how small he is. Get in there.